Namaskar, coffee growers and estate owners. Welcome to Soul of Krishi. Today, we are coming before you with a very important video on composting of coffee wastes like coffee pulp, coffee husk, coffee silver skin, and spent coffee grounds. We are the largest producer of coffee, third in Asia and sixth in the world, and we produce 300,000 million tons of coffee berries every year. Out of this, 50% is coffee husk or coffee pulp. That means we produce 150,000 million tons of coffee waste annually. These coffee wastes, their characteristics vary with the method of coffee processing. When the coffee is processed by the wet method, we get coffee pulp as waste material. And when we process with the dry method, we get coffee husk as waste material. When we polish coffee, we get silver skin as the waste material. And finally, when we make filter coffee at home or in hotels or in any other place, we get spent coffee grounds as waste material. So, coffee farmers generally call them by the term coffee husk, coffee pulp, coffee silver skin, and spent coffee grounds. Except spent coffee grounds, all other wastes are produced either in the estate itself or in the processing yard. These material are very hard to decompose, and as a result, the estate owners find it difficult to dispose these wastes. They contain lot of tannins and phenols which are toxic to plants if applied directly to the plants. So they need to be neutralized and decomposed before they can be used as manure. These large quantity of coffee husk and coffee pulp generated in coffee processing has caused environmental concern, and there is a need to find alternative uses for these residues. Although composting is made by these farmers, it takes very large time and also it is difficult to decompose and convert that into compost for direct application in the estates or elsewhere. Therefore, we have to find a way for rapid composting of these coffee wastes. Composting is the only process through which we can transform these hard to decompose material into a good compost and feed back to the estate or sold as compost to other farmers. We are happy to say that Arca decomposer, a fungus culture developed by the Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, Bangalore, is a very effective microbial consortium to convert these hard to decompose material into good manure in relatively a very short period of 45 to 60 days only. We can compost coffee husk, coffee pulp, or spent coffee waste or silver skin together, or we can compost them individually also. We can further improve the quality of compost by enriching this already decomposed material with another culture called Arca Microbial Consortium that is also developed at IIHR Bangalore. This composting method we have developed is very simple. What all we need is that raw material, that is the coffee waste of any kind, Arca decomposer microbial culture of IIHR at the rate of 5 kg per ton of waste material, urea solution, that is 4 kg urea dissolved in 10 liters of water per ton of waste material. Arca Microbial Consortium, the third item, that is 1 kg per ton of waste material. We need windrow dimensions of 1.5 meter width and 1 meter height of any convenient length. You can also make windrows of any dimension of your convenience, but height should not exceed 1 meter. You also require a rain protected place for making compost. you should have one water source for watering the windrows and some plastic sheets or coconut or arecanut fronds to cover the windrows. Let me explain the compost making process to you in very simple terms. Make windrows in a well drained area under shade along the slope of the ground so that the excess water drains out easily. I have shown the material required for every 1 ton of coffee waste. You can use at this rate for any quantity of coffee wastes you have that has to be converted into compost. First, spread any of the coffee waste raw material like husk, pulp or silver skin or spent coffee grounds for composting in the windrow designated place. Over this, sprinkle uniformly urea solution at the rate of 4 kg per 10 liter of water over the material. Spread the second layer of waste over this already prepared windrow layer and then spread Arca decomposer powder at the rate of 5 kg per ton of waste material uniformly over this layer and water it lightly. If it is already wet, then there is no need to water further. Repeat this process with alternate layers of urea solution and Arca decomposer till the height reaches 1 meter of height. Approximately, it takes some 10 layers depending on the material, initial moisture and the bulkness of the material. Maintain the moisture level at around 50 to 60% by weight. It can be tested by just squeezing in your hand. If one drop of water comes out, that approximately amounts to 50 to 60% of water. Water it only if necessary because coffee pulp may be wet already. That may be enough for composting. Once you make the windrow of 1 to 1.2 meter height, cover it with a plastic sheet or coconut or arecanut fronds and allow it to decompose. On 15th day, remove the plastic cover and turn the entire substrate thoroughly with adequate care to ensure that undecomposed pockets, which can be seen as more or less brick-red color pockets, should be mixed thoroughly and the windrows are made again. While mixing and when you remove the cover of the windrows, you can virtually see the steam coming out from the windrows because of the heat generated in the compost compost windrows, and the heat can go as high as up to 70 to 75 degrees centigrade. After mixing, remake the windrows and cover it again. This process should be of turning off windrows, mixing thoroughly and making the windrows again. Repeat for every 15 to 20 days once till you get an earthy odor. You are the farmers, you are aware of the smell of the compost. If you feel that compost earthy odor, that day you can say that the composting process is over. Once you start feeling the earthy odor and the material becomes dark brown in color, sprinkle Arca Microbial Consortium, the second microbial culture, at the rate of 1 kg or 1 liter per ton of material. If the powder form is taken, then 1 kg suspended material in 50 liters of water you can sprinkle over these already decomposed windrows. Mix them thoroughly and heap them again and allow it to keep overnight for stabilization of the microbes. Then the compost is ready for use anytime after this. Generally, it takes 45 to 60 days or 50 days for composting both coffee husk and coffee pulp with this method. The compost prepared using Arca decomposer can be used for application directly in the field, or it can be used in any other agriculture fields, or it can be sold to other farmers for their use. In our opinion, there is no better method available for composting coffee pulp and coffee husk and other coffee wastes so rapidly and so effectively, and the quality of the compost so obtained from Arca decomposer is excellent manure for coffee estates. I hope this method will be used by all coffee growers to compost their waste material and get the benefit of applying organic manure to the estate and enrich your soil. Thank you. For any further information, you can contact Soul of Krishi. Thank you.